Okay, just finishing up our ride here in the 2006 LZ1, and it's pouring down rain, but I'm gonna take 2 seconds here hopefully and show you all at home this cool car. This is a neat push button, opens the door, got some awesome sports seats in here and a very, very sporty interior. And stepping back, we have an awesome looking car, and it looks, very exotic, like a Lamborghini. Very long wheelbase, sporty wheels, awesome hood line. Got this hood scoop here, and the hood line, if you look, it's got an awesome hood line. Very long, slopey, voluptuously shaped. And I'm going to pop the hood here. Great side mirrors. And it's got this neat push button. Just push the button. There's no handle. All electronic. And I'm going to pop this here. And it's got this great, very, very light hood. We got this. Oh, it's an LZ2. I thought it was an LZ1. LZ2 V8 engine. Very clean, very powerful, very awesome sounding. And this car means business. I think it's like 500 or 600 horsepower. But with the hood very nicely contoured, and then this just shuts with a whoosh. So, and this has got the removable hood, or top, removable top. No, I don't think there's any line on this car that's bad. And the newer ones, this is a 2006. I mean, can you imagine? So, get out of the rain here. And this door just shuts with a whoosh. So, pretty awesome stuff. And I'm going to start this up. Push button start. And I think I got to put the clutch in and push it. Yeah, that is so cool. Cool car. Great sounding engine. And it, like I said, it's pouring down rain. So I'm soaked and I got to get going here. But bringing you this, whoever's interested in my YouTube channel at home, where you're hopefully warm, safe, and dry, and get to experience a Fast and Furious car or video and game car. I guess you have it on your video games, or if you can't experience it in real life, you can experience it at home. So signing off until the next neat, interesting car. Drive well, drive safe, and see you all soon.